the week that was.
It was a master bathroom week.
Master
I thought it was a monster bathroom week.
Oh, yes.
Well, at 10.5 square metres, your ensuite certainly was monster-sized. And you certainly had some monster-sized ideas, like the block's first ever curved wall.
Wow! Look at that, hey?
And circular skylights. And the monster-sized stone black bar.
That's gorgeous.
So your ensuite certainly ticks the monster box. But does it hit the 1910s brief?
There's a point where you have to do what you want to do. So this week we're leaning more towards what we want to do.
There is so much to look at in that bathroom, with intersecting angles, with skylight, with curves, with, you know...
The avocado bath.
The avocado bath. That bathroom is an architectural delight.
I don't know how period it is. I wouldn't call it a 1910 bathroom. I would call it a very modern bathroom that's beautiful, that's going to sell a house in Brighton.
Shayna and Darren both said the same thing when they walked in today.
What?
Neil said, I try very hard not to walk into a room and say,
Wow!
God! Look at the curve! And that skylight!
This is pretty special.
this is heaven.
I'm in love.
I don't know where to look. The curve of that wall and that ceiling and the circle around the Velux.
It's so elegant and so pretty. I'm just blown away how beautiful that is.
Oh, Darren.
And have a look at the bath.
It's beautiful.
I mean, I would not have expected a black bath.
But she loves it.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Darren agrees.
It is the one contrast point in here that I think is absolutely necessary.
Yes, needed.
Need it.
Luke and Jasmin blew us away last week with their master bedroom.
But this exceeds every expectation.
This is exceptional. They have given us a very, very modern bathroom, but I think they have remained faithful to those period cues that they introduced last week.
I can't remember standing in a bathroom as beautiful as this in week 4 of the block.
Wow.
Neil did have one issue looking at the layout of the vanity and the shower screen placement.
Whoever uses this basin is going to be really compromised because you are going to be forever knocking the shower screen with your elbow. Like if I'm shaving and I want to do that, it's not happening. That's a functionality issue.
We agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Darren thinks the whole vanity probably could have gone 50 mil to the left.
Yeah, we agree. Yeah.
Did you know that? Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Shona also noticed that the toilet roll holder isn't placed functionally.
Basically, you got to sit like that.
You got to sit like that. Absolutely, yeah, yeah.
It's
Okay.
not that elegant
No,
to have to hold your loo roll.
even though it's priceless.
$1,000 worth of toilet paper right there.
Another minor fault in an otherwise perfect bathroom.
Okay.
From a trades point of view, from a design point of view, and from, you know, pretty much every inclusion point of view, if we look at this ceiling and the way that it relates to that wall, the complexity of cutting those tiles to get them right, the complexity of cutting that piece of plaster to fit into that ceiling so perfectly, there is a lot of craftsmanship, a lot of attention to detail, a lot of effort.
And there's a lot of courage to even take that on, especially in a week.
They've taken a big risk, but that big risk has paid off right now, but it's also going to pay off when a buyer walks through this home and ends up through that really quite glorious master suite to this. I as a buyer would go, well, I mean, this is the bathroom I want.
This will leave a lasting impression and is a huge value add for the house.
Good.
I hope the rest of the house delivers as well as this does, because if it does, this is the house that I want.
This room is going to knock the socks off the buyer and delivered by some of the most talented contestants he's ever seen. And working in the toughest conditions too.
Yeah.
What a wrap, that's it.
I'm gonna pass out. Oh my God, well done.
There you go.
Amazing.
Isn't that amazing?
Oh, it's just so amazing.
Yeah, I'm just wrapped with that.
Yeah, that bathroom, that's our heart and soul in there. And that's what we've actually dreamed of, making that bathroom. And to actually have the money and the trades and the team to put that together, shout out to all my boys.